Hi, I'm Julie Wood, and welcome. If you've got a minute, we're going to make some soap scum cleaner. Works amazing. I'll post some pictures later on my on some of my social feeds to show you the difference of how this works. It works really well. Super easy to make. I am microwaving the hot water and vinegar that we're going to use so that it can should be ready. So that it can melt the kosher salt. Doesn't feel very hot. Okay, that'll work. All right, so we're going to use kosher salt, vinegar, cornstarch, citric acid, salsuds, thieves, and then some essential oils. So let's get started. So first thing you do is you mix some water and vinegar together, microwave it, and put some kosher salt in. And the kosher salt it acts like as a scrubbing agent in the, it helps break up the soap scum. And I like to use a whisk, and you just let it kind of dissolve in there and it gets all colored. Kosher salt and cornstarch too, actually. We're going to put cornstarch into that, also helps as a scrubbing agent. So let's see. Next, we're going to add some cornstarch into that. I'm reading my recipe. Right. That is the cornstarch, so you just mix it in. That. Now it's looking good. And next we're going to mix, and cornstarch, yeah, like I said, cornstarch acts like a scrubbing agent, kind of grabs onto that soap scum. And then the next thing we're going to add is the citric acid. And citric acid is actually a natural acid component in citrus. So, and it is very powerful. You don't want to breathe it in its powder form. It can kind of mess with your throat and stuff like that, but it is good for recipes like this to keep some natural ingredients. If you like that. It's a bactericide. It's also a fungicide, and it removes soap scum very well, hard water stains, calcium deposits, and rust, things like that. So that's why we want to put that in here. And then the next thing we're adding is our salsuds. And then our thieves cleaner. And salsuds is not a soap, so that's a fun fact. It's a natural all-purpose cleaner. I get the Dr. Bronner's salsuds, and I like that. I think that's backwards, but that's okay. You get the idea, I hope. Anyway, so we're going to add the salsuds. So it looks like a soap, but it is not. And it's made from the fir tree needles and spruce essential oils. So it does not. It has actually, you can smell the fir and the spruce. So it has a very organic-y, in the woods kind of smell here. And I'll just mix that in. And next thing that we're going to add is the thieves cleaner. Now, if you don't have thieves cleaner, you need to get some because this stuff is amazing. It kills 99.9% of germs, according to Young Living's website. And it comes in a concentrated bottle, and it's very wonderful. Love it. I use it for everything. You can actually just make a plain old all-purpose cleaner based on the directions on the back. Add water and the concentrated cleaner. And this little bottle will last you a while. So if you want more information on that, let me know. If you're fighting like mildew and mold as well as soap scum, you can also add more of the thieves than is in the recipe. And if you want the recipe, you're going to need to text me at 910-466-3015. So, all right, we've mixed everything in, and then we're going to pour the mixture into our handy dandy spray bottle. And use a funnel because it's a lot easier that way. And then I'm going to do this. Pouring it in, you guys can see. And this has a nice smell to it when it's all said and done, which is what I love about natural cleaners because it's not fake smell, it's real smell. And then we're going to add about 20 drops of purification, which is also mold and mildew and soap scum do not like. Neither do bugs, and purification is a wonderful blend. It smells amazing when it's diffused. And you can also get that from Young Living. I have no idea. I think that's probably about 20. And then we're going to do some lemon, and lemon is also good as a cleaner. And it helps, just like vinegar does as well, helps with keeping the glass nice and shiny and polished. So it's a good thing to have. And I use lemon a lot in cleaning because I love that fresh smell. Purification, lemon, thieves oil blend, all of that is good for you. So, okay. Last thing we're going to do is finish it up with, we just top the bottle off with white wine vinegar. And it'll get a little foamy, I think. Yeah, I overfilled. Anyway, you're done. So easier than going to the store. I'm gonna let that die down, but normally I would put this on. And all you do to use it is you put, you spray it on the glass shower or the whatever shower, wherever you're taking the soap scum off. And then I usually like to take a little scrubby brush and just scrub it down a little bit, and it'll get all foamy and soapy looking because of the soap scum that you're trying to remove. And then you just rinse it off, and it's all cleared up. So that's it for today. If you would like this full recipe, please text me the word soap scum to 910-466-3015. Have a happy day.